Today I'm gonna introduce our chicken compact slaughter line for you. Chicken compact slaughter line is installed in a frame. It's fully made of stainless steel, 304 stainless steel. The workers will hang shackling the chicken feet here, and the auto conveyor will go through first chicken water bath spanner. And here is the chicken bleeding tank. The workers will kill chili here, and the bleeding tank. Chicken goes through this auto conveyor. And finish the bleeding process here. The chicken will go through the air agitation scalding tank. This scalding tank can automatically control the water temperature, water level. It's fully automatic. After this chicken scalding machine, the chicken will go through this A-shaped chicken plucker machine. It's for plucking, removing the chicken feather. After finish the chicken feather process, we will go through this removed here. We use a trolley to receive the pores. In this position, these workers stand here to make the evisceration. Evisceration means the workers will remove the chicken offals here. The chicken offals be removed and put here, put this evisceration shaft. Evisceration shaft then connect with the offal receiving tank. After the chicken evisceration process, the conveyor will go through this chicken paw cutting machine. It's used to cutting chicken feet automatically. And at this part, the chicken carcass will be removed by a worker manually into this spiral chilling machine. And here, the chicken paws will remove directly, automatically. It's automatic chicken paw unloader machine. And the full process will end here.